Bago ka bumili ng body cream from Bath and Body Works, panoorin mo muna to. So I made this mistake and it can be costly if you make this mistake as well. So yeah, I have a body mist. I have a body cream here from Bath and Body Works. Si Dahlia. This is a very cute, very feminine packaging. So ang mali ko dito is hindi ko na check yung batch code. I'll tell you the importance later on. So, ang body creams ni Bath and Body Works do not last that long. So, they usually last between 1 year to 2 years depende kung paano siya na-store, depende kung paano siya na-formulate. So, basing on my research, mas mabilis mapanis yung mga may vanilla scents kesa walang vanilla scents. So, sa initan siguro, if they are exposed to heat and oxygen, mas mabilis silang mapanis. So, malalaman mo pag napanis na yung cream, if they smell funky, iba na yung amoy nila, hindi na sila mabango, tapos medyo nagsiseparate na sila. Yellow pala yung kulay ng cream niya. So, it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see, it's yellow. Ang ibang body cream is color white. And I asked a few of the friends from the group that I joined about Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret. May mga yellow talaga yung kulay. Like, for example, yung mga scents na may vanilla, like Dark Kiss, strawberry pound cake, fairy tale, yung mga ganyan, yellow talaga yung kulay nila. Pero kapag nakuha mo ng white, like for example, gingham, I think white yung color ng cream nun, tapos bigla siyang nag-yellow, baka napanis na yung body cream mo. So, dahil alam natin na between 1 year to 2 years yung expiration ng body cream, dapat i-check mo muna yung batch code niya bago mo siya bilhin. Pag mabait naman yung seller, pwede naman nilang picturean yung batch code para ma-check mo muna before buying. Kasi malaki talaga siya. This is, ilang ml to? 226 grams or 8 ounce. I don't know if you guys can see. So, medyo matagal-tagal na gamitan to, especially if you collected a lot. Ako, isa lang yung binili ko kasi I'm planning to use this up until the end of this year. June at the time of this filming. Tapos, nung chinek ko yung batch code niya when I got it, manufactured siya June 15, 2021. So that's last year. So this is exactly 1 year old. So I have probably less than a year. Kasi may vanilla to. This is Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, Whipped Tonka Bean. So usually whipped Tonka Bean is similar to vanilla. This is with shea butter as well. Siguro dahil sa formulation with shea butter, kaya siya mabilis mapanis. Yung lotions nila, mas longer yung shelf life ng lotions ng Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure lang sa Victoria's Secret. Mas runny lang yung consistency niya. Bumili ako ng body cream because medyo lumalamig na yung panahon. I'm expecting na lalamig pa between November, December, January. So, by that time, magagamit ko na siya kahit during the day. For now, nagagamit ko lang siya kapag naka-AC. This is heavy. Yung consistency niya medyo thick. Kaya pag mainit yung panahon, I would suggest you use a lotion instead. So, pwede mo namang tanungin yung seller, yung batch code, tapos i-check mo from sites that you could check batch codes kung kailan siya na-manufacture bago nyo bilhin to see if pwede nyo maubos between the time period ng expiration niya para naman hindi masayang yung body mist. Kasi pera din yun, sis. Do not collect body cream. I do not suggest that. But if you have money to burn, you can collect body creams. Pero, since we're buying this one at a higher price dito sa Pilipinas, we don't have Bath and Body Works stores na nagsasell ng mga $5.95, mga sale nila. So yeah, that's it. If this helped, please give me a thumbs up. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Mia and this channel is about fragrance and beauty. I post fragrance videos every Saturday, beauty and lifestyle related on Wednesdays every week. So if you're into that, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye!